Good evening. Hello everyone, as you probably already know by the title and the introduction, today I have an unboxing video of my new Sony ZV-1. I previously unboxed the Sony ZV-E10, however I sold that off within a week because after I started using the camera, I realized that it only recorded in XAVCS for the video mode, which is a format that isn't compatible with the version of iMovie that I use. This ZV-1 that I picked up after selling off the ZV-E10 does record in AVCHD, which is the same format as my current RX100M2, so this camera is good enough for me. Two items came free with the camera, and they are a SanDisk 64GB SDXC memory card and a Sony limited edition accessories box, which include what looks to be a carrying case as well as a very colourful date cap. Alright, so let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the top, Sony ZV-1, a picture of the camera, as well as a picture of what looks to be the shooting grip thingy that I have. On the right, you have the barcode, the serial number, the color, so on and so forth. On the back, you have the specifications of the camera. On the left, you have the supplied accessories inside the box, as well as the optional accessories that you can buy. On the front of the box, another picture of the camera, as well as Sony and ZV-1 again. On the bottom of the box, you have more information regarding the camera. Okay, so let's cut open the seal. Okay, so let's pull open the tab. Right on top, we have a leaflet for my Sony membership, reference guides in several languages, accessories, startup guides in several languages as well, further inside we have a white date cap, USB-A to micro USB cable, right in here we have the NP-BX1 battery, the camera, and an extra bag. No idea why, but that's there. And that's it. Okay, so let's take a look at the camera. Does feel lighter than the ZV-E10 that I had. Naturally, of course, because this is smaller as well, so obviously it will feel lighter. But it has the same flip out screen at the back. You can twist it, then you flip it back in like this, or you can like vlog yourself like this, and back like this, depending on what you prefer. Okay, so let's see if we can set it up for the first time. Let's start with the SanDisk memory card. Okay, so the memory card should go in here. Now let's get the battery. I hope it's charged. The battery goes in like this. And let's see if it turns on. Okay, so it does have charge. English, set area, date, time. There's somehow never a Kuala Lumpur in Sony's menu, so we'll have to make do with Hong Kong, Singapore and Beijing. Okay, daylight savings off, date and time. Let me just check the date and time. Okay, so the date is 23 October. (2021) and the time is 22:55. Let's just double check again. It's now 56. Okay, date format, day, month, year, enter, imaging age, okay. Right, and it's all set up. Okay, so before we sign off for this video, let's take a look at this accessories box, which should just open up like this. Okay. And inside, as mentioned earlier, you have the colorful date cat instead of the white one that comes in the box. And this bag, which I have no idea how to open. Okay. This looks like a nice bag to carry the camera in. It has like multiple sections, and this looks like something to do with the dead cat. Okay, so this is the first video shot with my new Sony ZV-1. I thought I'd do the outro. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing video of my new Sony ZV-1. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.